Hello Point Blankers, DJ Ravine here, and welcome to the Bund here in lovely Shanghai. You guys might be wondering, what are we doing in Shanghai? Well, Point Blank Music School is going to be opening up a branch here in Hangzhou, nearby in Shanghai, and we're here for a press conference, so it's going to be pretty cool. Let's go take a look. So a bit about the EDM scene in China. Clubs are a relatively new thing to China. The first real electronic music clubs appeared in the mid-90s and soon became a place for the upper class to flaunt their wealth with tables stacked high with champagne. Today, clubs in places like Shanghai and Hangzhou can be found host to a plethora of high-end international acts. Just 10 years ago, China had no presence in the DJ Mag Top 100 clubs. Today, there are 7 Chinese clubs on that list, and that number is expected to grow each year. And it's not just the clubs that are growing, the amount of people listening to electronic music is staggering. According to a recent study, electronic music is the second most popular genre of streamed music, with pop, of course, leading the charge. Festivals are also growing in China. Today, there are over 100, with more room to grow. So I'm here at the NetEase Fever offices here in Shanghai. They're going to be our partners for Point Blank in China. They're a company that focuses on electronic music, and yeah, we're getting ready for the press conference. Our partners, NetEase Fever, are a new company focused on furthering the reach of electronic dance music across China through education, events, and production. Their parent company, NetEase, owns NetEase Cloud Music, which is the most popular music streaming platform in China. So we've made it to the Fever press conference here in Shanghai. Let's go and find out what it's all about and see what this Point Blank announcement is going to be like.
We're delighted to be working with such a powerful, creative and respected company as NetEase and Fever, and believe that this, in combination with Point Blank's 25 years of experience in music and education, we have a really strong partnership.
So that was the NetEase Fever launch. We're now partnered with them officially, and we're going to be opening a school in Hangzhou in China as Point Blank China. That's going to be happening in the summer of 2019, and there's lots more to come. We haven't actually gone and built the actual school yet, but we have the building and it's going to be renovated. We'll show you more footage of that as it comes. But for the time being, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.